Odette here, and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful, well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Just Girly. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Odette. I do have a lash line, Starlashesbyodette. All of the details will be down below for you guys. How to contact me, how to order, and all of these things will be down below. I do have 5 different styles of lashes in my collection. They all will be linked in the description box. Joy, Romeo, Faith, Just Girly, and Chance. And today we are going to be talking about Just Girly. Let me bring her close up so you guys can see. This is what she looks like. Very light, very spacious, very, very flirtatious. And when you put her on, you know, it's like you are wearing nothing on your eyes. So if you're the type of person who doesn't like to be too dramatic with your looks, or maybe too dramatic with your eyelashes and stuff like that, this is a really good brand for you, because it's going to make you look so simple and well put together, as opposed to looking so noticeable like you are wearing lashes on your eyes. So I don't have them on today, so we are going to put her on right now, Just Girly. So I'm just going to take her out from the package, and here we are. So she's really, really beautiful, nicely separated, gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. And again, this is what she looks like. Okay, and of course, every time you buy lashes, it doesn't matter which brand you buy, you always have the little extra band to the end. And of course, you can just take a scissors and cut that out. So let's put Just Girly on today. I'm going to go in with my Lash Glue. You can just use whichever lash glue that's in your preference, or that you prefer to use, rather. That's what I'm trying to say. So we're just going to put the glue all the way to the end. This lash glue came in a BoxyCharm box, and I really like it. I think it's Lava London or Lava Los Angeles, something like that. Don't quote me. In any case, here we are. This is Just Girly, and she's slightly flared out to the side and a little bit lower on the inside. So we're just going to put her on. So I'm just going to take my mirror, and it is so simple to put on. So I just simply take her and I just drop her in the center of my eyes. That's all I do. And then I'm just going to pull her down to the corner, stick her in. I'm going to use my hand and bring her into the middle, just like so. And I'm just going to take my tweezer, and I'm just going to make sure she is nicely stuck. And I'm just going to squeeze it together, just to make sure she blends nicely with my own lashes. And let's just squeeze this side a little bit. And there we go. So she is on. So what I also like to do is just take my hands, my fingers, my hands, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. And just make sure that she is stuck on both sides. And there she is. She looks so pretty. Oh my God, look at the difference between both sides of my eyes. And it just basically transformed the way you look. So I'm just going to take the other one out, and we are just going to put her on. Okay. And of course, we are just going to give her a little clip on both ends, because we do have that extra band that we do not want. So just slightly cut her off, like right there, and on both sides. Okay, there we be. So I'm just going to go in with my Lash Glue. I love this one. And it sticks really, 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 really quickly. And there we go. This is Just Girly, and she is now going in. And you're going to see again how easy it is to apply. And I always like to use my magnification side in my mirror. So again, I just drop her in the middle, just like so. She goes down, and I just pull her to the side, stick her in there, and she gets stuck right in the middle. And I always like to squeeze it in just to make sure that she's nicely stuck, and blend it in with my own lashes. And again, I'm just going to take my fingers and just make sure that the corners are nicely stuck. And here we are, the lashes are on and my face is completely transformed. Really beautiful lashes, very simple looking and natural looking as well. It makes your face look so absolutely gorgeous, and it's almost like you have naturally long lashes. They are really pretty. Again, these are called Just Girly, and they are just girly. Okay, now let's do the glasses test with these lashes. These are my prescription glasses, and I'm going to put my glasses on for you guys right now. And I'm putting on my glasses exactly how I wear my glasses on my eyes, not in the center of my nose, not on the tip of my nose. And these lashes are not 100% not touching the lens of my glasses at all. You know, I look like an executive in a boardroom. I can be in an office. I can be online in my meetings. I can do whatever I want. I could be going to the grocery store, entertaining some friends, speaking to my neighbors, going to catch my mail, whatever I want to do, and still look absolutely presentable. And again, these are my prescription glasses, and I need my glasses for driving and all of that. But yeah, they look so pretty. Not touching the lens at all, although they're a little bit longer, but the way that they are flared nicely, it's not going to touch the lenses of your glasses. So if you're the type of person, again, who just loves simplicity, the way you look, the way you put your makeup on, this is a fantastic brand for you. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. You know exactly how to reach me. All of the details will be down below for you guys, so you can place your orders. And it's $13.59. Taxes are already included, free shipping. Payments are done through PayPal, and you're going to be getting 2 boxes. Okay, so I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.